Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share internet from Android phone to Windows. USB tethering. Mobile phones have long had the modem feature, allowing you to hook up the device to your computer using USB tethering. This lets you share the mobile internet connection over a wired connection with your laptop or other device. First, enable mobile data on your Android phone. Then, connect the phone to your PC with the USB cable. In the Use USB for pop-up menu, select USB tethering. Your tethered internet connection should now be active. In the event that this doesn't automatically activate on connection, you can manually enable tethering over USB. First, open Settings, tap on Connection and Sharing. Then, tap Personal Hotspot. Tap USB tethering slider to enable it. If this appears grayed out, make sure the USB cable is properly connected at both ends. A hotspot and tethering warning may appear, informing you that continuing will interrupt any existing data transfers between your phone and PC. Then, tap OK to proceed. Note, some of the menus may be slightly different depending on the device and Android version you're using, but the general instructions are the same on all models. A notifications icon should appear to confirm that tethering is active. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another videos.